Dear students, in our last session, I had explained one problem how to apportion the overheads for the three different production departments and one service department. Here, the table is like this. We will call it as a overhead distribution summary. In this particular problem, we have three production departments called P1, P2 and P3, and there is only one service department which is called as S1, and this is serial number column, and this is the item of expenditure which is to be apportioned, and this is the total of overheads, and this is the basis for apportionment. Basis for apportionment means on what basis you have apportioned the overheads for three production departments and one service department. See, let us take items one by one. The first important item is rent. See, here they have given total rent as 10,000 rupees. How do you apportion this 10,000 rupees rent for three production departments and one service department? Perhaps the same procedure will be followed for all other overheads also. See, rent is usually apportioned on the basis of floor area or area occupied, but in this problem it is given as square feet, area occupied in square feet. See here, the area occupied in square feet, you can look at the additional information. So 1500 rupees, 1000, 1100, 900 and 500. Here the area square feet given as 1500, 1100, 900 and 500. You simplify it into ratio, you will get 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. So this is 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. You can look at the additional information table. There the area occupied information is available to you. If you share 10,000 rupees in that ratio, you get 3,750, 2,750, 2,250 and 1,250. This is about the rent. See, second important expenditure is repair. Repair is given as 6,000. See, how do you apportion the repair? Again, you go back to additional information. There the basis is given. See, this repair is actually for the plant and machinery. Plant and machinery is given here as the value of the plant 2,40,000, 1,80,000, 1,20,000 and 6,000, 60,000. So the value of the plant is 2,40,000, 1,80,000, 1,20,000 and 60,000. Apportion it in that particular ratio. The simplified ratio will be 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Then you share this 6,000 rupees in that ratio, you will get 2,400, 1,800, 1,200 and 600. So this is the second item of expenditure. You go to depreciation. 4,500 is the total depreciation. So how do you apportion this? Again, for depreciation, you will have to take the value of the plant as the basis. See, again, the same procedure will be followed here also. It is based on value of the plant. So the ratio is also same. 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. If you share 4,500 rupees in 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio, you get 1,800, 1,350, 900 and 450. So it is the third important item of expenditure. Fourth important thing, light. See, in my earlier session, I had already told lighting is always apportioned on the basis of light points. But in this problem, light points are not given. When the light points are not given, you must apportion it on the basis of area occupied in square feet, assuming that more area requires more lights. See, this 1,000 rupees area occupied here is 1,500, 1100, 900 and 500 is given in additional information table. You please look at that. Look at that. See here the ratio here is 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. So 15 is to 11 is to 9 is to 5. If you share 1000 rupees in that ratio, you get 375, 275, 225 and 125. So this is about lighting. See next fifth one, power. See power is totally 9000 rupees. I had already told you power is actually based on technical estimates, that is horsepower of the machine or kilowatts. If both are not given in the problem, again you can apportion it on the basis of value of plant and machinery. Value of plant and machinery. Here the value of the plant and machinery is already given and we had already used this for two other items. So the same ratio will have to take 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. See if you divide 9000 rupees in 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio, you get 3600, 2700, 1800 and 900. So next supervision. Sixth item is supervision. Total supervision charges are 15,000. See how do you apportion this? Supervision is always based on number of employees, assuming that more number of employees requires more supervision. See what here it is given. You go back to additional information table. In my previous session I had given. See the total number of employees are 20, 15, 10 and 5. Take the ratio again. 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. If you divide 15,000 in number of employees ratio, 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1, you get 6,000, 4,500, 3,000 and 1,500. So seventh item of expenditure to be apportioned is fire insurance premium. Fire insurance premium is 5,000. See how do you apportion this fire insurance premium? See insurance is always taken on the value of the stock. So value of the stock is given in the problem. You can use it. 1,50,000, 90,000 and 60,000. But service department is showing stock as nil. So don't apportion anything to service department because only these three departments have only the stock. So apportion only to these three production department. This 5,000, if we share in that ratio, see here value of the stock 1,50,000, 90,000, 60,000. If you simplify it, you will get 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 is to 3 is to 2. If you divide 5,000 in that ratio, you get 2,500, 1,500 and 1,000. So last, employees insurance. Employees insurance is taken as the basis for, say here, how do you apportion this employee insurance? This is basically on the basis of number of employees. Number of employees already given in the problem. 20, 15, 10 and 5. So again you have to go back to 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1 ratio. If you divide 1,500 in that ratio, you get 600, 450, 300 and 150. See after apportioning this, the total column first, this is 52,000 and production department 1, 21,025 is the total overhead and production department 2, 15,325 and production department 3, 10,625 and service department S1 is 4,975. So you can check it up if you want. So 52,000 if you total 21,025 plus 15,325 plus 10,675 plus 4,975 is equal to 52,000.